Hello friends, today I'm going to show you something exclusive, that how to capture a 360-degree photo, like a panoramic 360-degree photo with your phone. Either it's iPhone, Android phone or iOS, any device you can take your just photo with your phone, Android phones and iOS phone, any smart device. So this is the area I'm going to cover, and I'm going to cover this area with 360-degree photo. So let's start. uh, Here I'm going to show you that first you have to install a street view apps on your device. Any smartphone, you can download it from the Play Store or iStore, iPlay Store. So let's go to the that apps. This is just you have to click on a photo sphere. There is an option on the apps, photo sphere. Just click on it and you will find that directly your camera will be open, and there will be symbol, yellow symbol, that you have to just point it in. Let's start from here. I'm starting. You can take this photo within 1 minute, maximum 1 minute. It will be very attractive, and there is some short technique to take this photo very smoothly and without foreign objectless. That sometimes when you capture the lower side, then your legs will be appear in the photo. So today I'm going to show you that without your legs, everything will be crystal clear. There's no foreign object. So let's start. Is I'm going to show you that in the Street View apps you will find this when you open this Street View apps, then just click on it and you will find a photo sphere. Just click on it. You'll find a point that you have to just point it out. First one is clicked, then it will redirect you to the next point. You can take it easily. So I'm going to take you have to take it very smoothly. It depends on the light. As much as you have the light, you can your speed of moving will be the faster. But at the time, this is the golden hour. The light is not sufficient, but it is perfect for clicking photos. So I'm going to take it very smoothly. Let's see. I'm covering all the surrounding area with multiple photos. Yeah. This side, only one sphere is completed. Right now I have to delete the upper side. That you got a point. This one, and second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and you have to take the top of this photo. 2 click. 1, 2. Now let's come to the down. This one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this one is very technically short. That when you capture this photo at the lower side, your legs will be visible. But today I'm going to show you this smooth photo that no legs will be visible. See, let's come to my camera. See, there's only two are blank. Let's see. I have just make a space that my legs is there. See this one, and last one. See my leg position and the photo direction. And I'm clicking the bottom side of photo. I was there, but I'm not right now there. I'm just clicking this photo little bit distance, maintaining the distance. See, now my every frame is clicked. Then just I have to click on tick mark, and the photo is being processed. It will process all your photo with a single photo. That multiple I have clicked, and it will join this photo everything with a spherical. So let's see, it's going to be yeah, it's done. Just click on it. See this photo. Yeah, this is the photo I have clicked. See, it is totally smooth and without any you won't find you didn't find anything wrong. This will be reloaded again. There's nothing wrong. This is, see, so every frame is joined together with a one photo. See, if I go let's see to the directly to object. This is the first one. I click this one, by this one, and see this one and this one, and you can take this every frame. It is joined together. Now one more thing you have to do, you don't need to publish it right now. You don't need to publish it right now. There is an option, just select on it and publish on Google Map. So right now you don't have to publish it. You have to process this photo by Photoshop, or if you may have a Snapseed app. So by this you can edit this photo. So there is an option in the Street View apps that are you going to save this photo or not. See this option, delete photos and videos from device after upload. So you're not going to upload right now. The photo is saved to the gallery. Then you have to reprocess it by adjusting color and the frame. Sometimes the frame little bit it is not joined properly. You have to just add some object or just liquefy it by your own. So let's go to the directly to photo. I'm going to show you this photo that I have clicked. Yeah, this one is the photo. So let's see this one totally the photo was, and I'm going to edit it with Snapseed. You don't need to do anything, just go to the HDR effect. It's just calf and see the color is a little bit attractive. You can control it by increasing its strength or by brightness. Though the time is golden hour, you don't need to add a brightness, and you may add the saturation level for adding extra color. So the grass color is more green and the sky is getting more blue. So you can do it and just click on it. Let's just get a little bit more. See, this one the previous photo after clicking before editing, and after editing this one you can add more color by here. Like you have to little bit brighter, and contrast maybe adjustable little bit, saturation it will be more colorized. And ambience is important for detailing the objects. See, when I increase the ambience, the sky color is getting more blue, and the surrounding object, this one is more attractive. So you can add it, and either you can highlight this little bit, and shadows you don't need to add shadow. Warm, if you need to little bit increase the temperature of this photo, you can add it. Just click on it. Right now when you save this photo, by done, it is saved to the gallery. Now I am going to show the after processing this photo. See, this one is after processing this photo. I clicked, I upload to directly to Street View apps. I just opened it from the gallery, and I opened the Snapseed apps and processed it, edit something, adding little bit color, and then the photo is totally processing is finished. Now I'm going to upload this photo. So here's the option. I will show you. You just go to the Street View apps. There will find an option. At first we clicked on the photo sphere. Now I have to just click on import 360-degree photo. Go to import on 360 and select that photo. See, one photo or video is imported. This one is imported photo. Okay, you just have to add the location. See, this one is Nirvana again. I'm adding this location. and edit, and just hold and click on it, select, and just and then you have to just upload it. It's ready to publish. Just click on it, and there will be find an option to upload it. So it will be directly uploaded into the Street View Google Maps. At the end, anyone surrounding you when they are going to explore the area, your photo will be visible for them.